wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys, and welcome back. Welcome back to part 2. And if you guys saw yesterday's video, you noticed we went out on the hopper from the back of the house and headed out for another water adventure to a new place. And the estimated ride was going to be about 45 miles towards Boca Grande, and the ride was about 2 hours and about 20 minutes. And we reached Placenda Sandbar, and this sandbar is enjoyed by many of the locals and visitors. But we didn't stop there. We drove right through and kept on going our way a little bit more north, where we found this beautiful beach, where we got a warm welcome from one of the natives as soon as we arrived. Yeah. Alright guys, so we changed locations. We actually found this beautiful beach here, and it's semi-private because there's a few boaters here, but it's beautiful. Look at the water, guys. This is alright guys, so look at this. It's time to do the water test. Put my ladder down. Oh my god, wait until you jump in the water. Yeah, the water's amazing. We were very surprised to find this beautiful beach with such clear, crystal clear water. The water was so clear that Olguita could see the shells from the boat. And guess what she did? Yep, she jumped in the water and started picking shells. I went along to help her. And we were right where we left off, picking shells at Gasparilla Island. This is huge. Look. Look, what are you doing? Grabbing with your toes? Alright, let me see what we found. Alright, she found this one right here. It's kind of cool right there. And look at those. It's amazing. Wow. Uh-oh. She's shell hunting again.
I love it. They make me happy.
They make you happy?
They make me happy.
Well, this is very nice here. Loving it, guys. Yeah. More shells. Okay, here we go. The shortage of shells because of Olguita. And now we're gonna do a water clarity test. We're gonna stick the camera in the water and see how far we can see. And well, from a scale 1 to 10, 10 being super clear, I'm gonna give it a 9. What do you guys think? Well, what Olguita does are shell picking. I'm over here enjoying the water crashing into the shore. And really amazing up here. You know, we didn't go where we were planning to go today because it was even 30 minutes further north, and there was a big idle zone that I decided right there to turn around. We ended up on this big island. We were actually at the edge of the island. You guys can see behind me, and I'm loving it. I mean, I've never seen the water so clear, to be honest. Never seen the water so clear here on the West Coast. But it's like, it's actually clear, because Miami water is clear but bluish. This is actually clear. It's just clear, white clear. I'm not comparing, you know, but it's just a lot of people tell me, yo, I don't like the West Coast, the water's dirty, it's dark, it's this and that. Well, yeah, there's this time of the year that the water gets dark because of Lake Okeechobee. And I said it before in my other videos, but I guess right now it's not the time, and we're enjoying it. I mean, it's beautiful. Loving it. Everything. Quiet, secluded. You know, every boat is far away from each other, so it's amazing here. check this out. She came with a bag full of shells. Let me see.
Okay, another successful day. Here you go.
For you, it's another successful day.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that thing right there. Well, that's shell picking. Well, guys, you already know that Olguita loves shell picking and nautical decorations. But guess what else she likes? If you guess pictures, you're actually correct. And how you gonna let this gorgeous opportunity go by? So Olguita's gonna have her own slogan. What time is it? What time is it? It's picture time. My friend here is getting kind of hungry. I think we're gonna, instead of doing the barbecue here on the sand or on the beach side, we're gonna go and maybe cruise over to the sandbar and do it there because it's less wind. It's too windy here. Okay, so while we pick up anchor and get ready to move, I'm gonna take this time and answer a question that I got from a few different people. Where can they purchase the Sandbar Life merchandise? Well, it's very simple. Just go to www.frescochannel.com. There, you go into shop and you're gonna see all the different styles of shirts and hats that we carry. Now, I'm gonna explain something. We try to keep in stock 12 of the same item. Now, it becomes a problem when in one day people order more than 12 because then I have to send it out to the shop to get it remade, and that's when some orders take longer than others. But when they come in, we ship them out. And if you're one of the people that actually had to wait long, I would like to say I'm sorry for that, but we'll get it out to you, don't worry. And also I would like to say thank you so much for the love and support, and remember to always send me the pictures and I'll post them up on Instagram. And now we're back to cruising speed and working our way back into the bay towards the sandbar that is located right on the other side of the bridge. And well, this is no surprise to us. Most of the boaters have gone home. Now the question that I ask myself is, how long are we going to be here for? Because our ride back is going to be 2 hours and 20 minutes, more or less. But we're not going to think about that right now. We're just going to find a spot and anchor up. Oh, wait a minute. Or is it anchor down? Well, I guess it doesn't really matter how you say it, just as long as you do it. Because the current here can get very strong at times. And also you're going to notice that the water here, it's pretty clear. And now we're all anchored and secure, so we're gonna chillax at the sandbar. And between the drive and hanging out two different spots, the day seemed longer than usual. No. Alright guys, so we decided to head in because it's too windy by the beach side, I guess you want to call it. So we're here at Placenta Sandbar. Been here before. Right now it's like 4:30. So you know how it is. I don't know why the West Coast people go home early. Well, I guess tomorrow is Monday. So yeah, we're here and we're gonna do the best part that I like in the videos. Right here. So you know what time is it? What time you think it is? What time is it? What time is it? Boom! Nope, it's just heating up, baby. Oh, and by the way, guys, thank you so much for those people that, you know, buy the Sausage Time shirts. Never knew it was going to be such a success. I guess I did it as a joke, but a lot of people, you know, it's a double meaning thing, so a lot of people enjoy it. You know what that means, right? All right, so we really did a what time is it check, but now let's do it one more time because The barbecue is loaded up. Check it out, check it out. What time is it? Boom, baby, look at this, boom. Guess what that is? And guess what that is? If you guys guess who that's for and what it is, if you guys can guess what meat that's made from, that means you guys been paying attention to the channel. And if you know what that is that time of the day, baby. Whoop. You ready for that time?
Yes, I am hungry. Very
You're hungry? Now, yeah, you picked up all the shells, you're hungry? All right. So let's cook it up, baby. Let's cook it up. Whoa. Well, you already know that right now is the best time of the day and the video. You know why? Because I love food. But while we cook up the sausages and the hamburgers, I'm gonna let the camera show you guys what the West Coast boaters are doing on this late Sunday afternoon. Where's the top right? This is the best time of the day right here. This is called a sausage burger. Fresco style. Alright, so we're gonna do a barbecue check. Boom! Look at that. All the sausages are gone. Who's eating them? Jeez.
What time is it? What time is it?
Well, guys, I'm gonna ask you, what time is it? What time is it? Well, you know what time it is? It's time to pick up anchor and start heading back because our ride is pretty long and far. But I think it's worth the distance. What do you guys think? And this is a quick reminder. Remember, Saturday, June 11th, we'll be heading from Miami to Isla Morada Sandbar with the Miami Boat Rally. And you still have a chance if you still want to go. Go register at www.miamiboatrally.com and use Fresco 50 to get a discount. And by the way, guys, this summer I'm gonna be working on 2 special episodes called Fishing with Fresco. And what I need is 2 fishing charters, one from the East Coast and one from the West Coast. And the charter has to at least accommodate 6 people for a half a day of fishing. And for exchange, we will feature your company with a complete episode showcasing your vessel and techniques in fishing and all contact information of your charter business. So if this sounds good to you and you want to be featured in Fresco Channel, feel free to contact us via email to djfresco1@gmail.com. How was your ride?
I made it very well. I slept the whole way.
Yes, you had a nice ride. Not bad though. It took us exactly 1 hour from Placinda Sandbar to Miserable Mile. So it's not bad at all. And I was cruising at 30. I didn't go any faster, any slower. 30 miles an hour. I hit the cruise control and kicked it back. And exactly an hour. Now from here to the house is like 30 minutes, right? Or less? Yeah, less than 30 minutes, so it's not bad. Not bad at all. You look like a bandit. Like, so you're gonna get on a horse and rob a carriage. So we're cruising back now, baby. Cruising back. Well guys, today we're feeling super lucky and blessed. First of all, we got to see over 6 different dolphins swimming around the west coast. We found this beautiful island with crystal clear waters with an amazing view of the Gulf. And also Gita got lucky because she found more shells to her nautical collection. We got to hang out at a very popular sandbar here on the west coast, and we had a late lunch. And got to meet some very cool fans there too. And just when you thought we were home and our luck ran out, well, look at this. We got blessed with another beautiful sunset on our ride back. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and remember to watch part 1 and 2. And until next time, let's keep having fun in the sun.